HP believes it can do better. Your newly presented Tango allows you to print from wherever you are, and takes intelligent commands from the speakers of Alexa, Cortana and the Google Assistant. If you want to print your calendar, you do not have to start an application or cross the room. An instant ink service can automatically request new ink when it runs out, which can also save you an unexpected trip to the office supply store. Also, this is a printer with which you could be comfortable displaying. Tango is not a wonder in itself, but you can add linen and cork sheets that help you fit into your home. Yes, the trend of coverage technology has spread to printers. In fact, it will not deceive anyone to think that it is anything other than a block of plastic and silicone, but it should be combined in its decoration more elegantly than a typical inkjet. The Tango is sent in October in a simple model of $149 and in a Tango X model of $199 that includes the cover. You will also have the option to buy covers after the fact.